Good morning, students. Today you are going to learn about the important basic identities in algebra. In chapter 3, let us see the first one, first identity, a plus b the whole squared. The formula, the answer is, the expansion is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, now let us see the steps one by one. First one, a plus b the whole squared means what? How many times? The base is a plus b is the base. The power is 2. So you have to write this base 2 times. Okay. So a plus b multiplied by a plus b. First you have to write a plus b into a plus b. Is it clear? First step. So a plus b the whole square means that is understood. The base is multiplied by 2 times. The base is a plus b here. A plus b into a plus b. Now as usual you can multiply these two terms. First, in first bracket a is there. So a multiplied by a plus b fully. So put the bracket. Okay, first select the first one, first term in the first bracket, a into the full term. Okay, so now in between plus sign is there, so put the plus. Second one is what? B into a plus b. Second, b into again the second bracket, multiply by b into a plus b. Is it clear? So first bracket, first term is a multiplied by the second bracket fully, a into a plus b, in between plus sign, so put the plus sign. Now select the second term in first bracket, b into multiplied by, so b multiplied by a plus b. So now as usual again you can multiplication, the inner multiplication. First one a into a square plus, put the plus sign here, a into b, ab. Okay, is it clear? A into b, ab only. Put the plus sign here. Again this one b, outside is b multiplied by b into a. You put ab itself. Okay, ba or ab, anything you can write. Then plus sign in between. So again b into b square. Listen, again I am telling. So first outside the bracket is a, the inside the bracket first one is a into a squared plus a into b, ab, plus again multiply b into ab or ba, anything you can write, ab plus b into b squared. Here there is not having coefficient means that is understood 1 ab, here also 1 ab. So these two terms in the middle, two terms are like terms only, so you have to add. Keep the a squared as it is, a squared plus 1ab plus 1ab, 2ab plus last term b square. So this is the answer for this first one. So a plus b the whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Is it clear? This is the first identity. Now let us see the second identity. So first one is a plus b the whole squared. The answer is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The second identity, the minus sign, the same only. So a minus b the whole squared. This is the base, this is the power. So you have to write the base 2 times. Power is 2, no? So a minus b into a minus b. So you can multiply this one, a minus b into a minus b. So first as usual you can select the first term only, a into the second bracket fully. So a into a minus b, a multiplied by, okay. So in between the sign is what? Before b the sign is minus. So put the minus, b into a minus b, second bracket. Okay, is it clear? The first term is a, first bracket, first term is a, select the a only and multiply with second bracket fully. So a into a minus b, in between minus sign. So put the minus sign here. Next term b into second bracket fully, b into a minus b. Now as usual again you can multiply the a outside a into inside a. So a into a, The answer a squared. The next term a into b. Here the in between the, so in front of the b is sign minus, so minus sign, a into b, ab. Okay, so now let us see the next term here, minus, put the minus sign, b into a, so put ab. Okay, whatever it is, ba or ab, both are same only, so minus ab. So multiply the b with the sign, the minus sign is there, minus b into a, so minus ab. So next one, minus into minus, here one, outside one minus, inside one minus, minus into minus plus, b into b, b squared. Is it clear? So listen, again I am telling, the first outside is a, the inside bracket is a in first term, so you can multiply a into a squared, in between sign minus, so put the minus sign, a into b, ab. The next term, the before of the b, the sign is minus, so put the minus sign, b into a, put that ab or ba, anything. So again multiply the sign with the sign, so minus, the inside minus sign is there, minus of minus, minus into minus plus, b into b, b squared. Okay, now keep the a squared first term as it is. Here these two terms are like terms, so you have to add 1ab and 1ab, minus minus, so same sign, here also minus, here also minus, same sign means you have to add the terms and give the same sign only. So the minus sign here, 1ab and 1ab, you have to add 2ab. Okay, so minus 2ab only, same sign means you have to add the like terms and give the same sign only. So minus 2ab plus b squared is the second identity. So the a minus b the whole squared, answer is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This is the second identity. The first one, a plus b the whole squared, first one a plus b the whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The first identity, everything is plus sign. The second one, second term only the minus, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Is it clear?